Hi, this is Corey with Pinecone AI. In this video, I will introduce the concept of the event series or the events box office. You can use the event series or the events box office to embed a running events box office onto your website where all of your events can be housed. This allows your donors and anyone visiting your website to go to one singular events calendar or event series page, scroll through any events that you have offered, whether they're your events or an event that you're promoting to an audience with external ticketing, and then view that event right from the embedded iframe on your website, and then be able to click back out to see the other events that are listed. Let's take a look. From within your dashboard, navigate to Events, and then Event Series. From the Event Series page, we're going to look at the event series itself. If you have more than one event series listed, let's say that you have an event series that is just for kids events versus an event series that is adult events only, or you're going to run a special limited time event series for, let's say, a certain lecture series or some type of educational programming. That's the reason why you would have multiple event series within your existing Pinecone AI organization. From here, I'm going to use my existing event series and show this one as an example for us to take a look at together. On the event series itself, there's not that much information that you need to put in because all of the information is going to be fed from the events themselves. There are just a few items to take care of from an administrative perspective. You will want to name your event series. I have this one labeled Spruce and Fir 2026 events. Then you will notice the embed code for the iframe snippet and again the QR code. The embed code will allow you to put this iframe on to your existing website and then have this embedded into the site so that your box office is always available and it always refreshes with any new events that you add. Then we have events in this series. This is an administrative view that shows you any events that you have added as an event series. And with that, let's take a look at the events page itself. So this is what the event series looks like as a box office page. Whenever you embed this onto your website, or if you choose to use the one hosted by Pinecone AI, you'll see the events listed in calendar order. You'll have the overall title of the event, then that very short snippet description that is labeled for the card in the event itself. You'll get a quick view of the location and the date of the event. This is going to give you the start date only of the event, and then it'll start to give you the full description for the event. To see more information about any event in the series, you would simply click into this. This will show you the full event page as it's listed. And then when you're done, you would simply hit back to go back to the events on the page, or you can use a hyperlink that says return to events. This is the power of the events box office, is that instead of creating a unique page on your website for each individual event, you can embed the event series or the events box office once on your website. Then you can add events to it as you go, and the events calendar or the events box office, it's always kept up to date. To show you an example of how that works from an event itself, within your dashboard on the event, I would go to this existing event. I'm going to edit it, go into my settings, and then under choosing the event series, that's where I'm choosing the Spruce and Fir 2026 events. So that's how you can use the events box office to embed all of the events that you would like to publish for your donors or anyone visiting your site all in one place. Thanks for watching. Cheers.